Step into the electrifying world of Spektrum, where the pulse-pounding excitement of radio control comes to life. Get ready to ignite your passion for RC with the ultimate transmitter that will supercharge your everyday adventure. Introducing the iXSR. Spektrum, the trailblazers who sparked the 2.4 GHz RC revolution, are back and better than ever. We're not just pushing the boundaries, we're shattering them. Brace yourself for an adrenaline-fueled journey that takes RC bashing, boating, crawling, and racing to dizzying heights of safety, precision, and above all, fun. For RC enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best, the Spektrum iXSR isn't just a transmitter, it's absolutely essential for your RC arsenal. Get ready to experience control like never before, with ergonomic perfection, unbeatable connectivity, and limitless customization.
The concept of the iXSR started 4 years ago, but over the last 2 or 3 years, our team has gone through 5 different radio revisions of both mechanical and electrical components. We did this after countless hours, days, and weeks of testing. We developed brand new Hall effect sensors, which have never been used in surface radios before. Getting the concept of those working correctly was very important. Back in 2022, we had 3D printed versions created to show our crawler teams, racing teams, and others, because we wanted them to tell us what they thought of the fit and the feel. We listened to their feedback, and we redesigned parts as part of our revisionary process. Through the work we did with the iX20 and iX14 air transmitters, we've learned how to better utilize the Android operating system. We learned to make our startup process quicker. We learned how to improve battery life. We even added sleep mode that we didn't have on previous Surface radios. All of these improvements over what we've had before make the user experience even better.
This powerhouse of a transmitter boasts Spektrum Smart Technology, a cutting-edge 4.5-inch color touch display powered by Android, and a world of possibilities for customizing your models. You can change the screen color and the color of the LED bars. With 19 user-adjustable colors, you can make it to look completely unique. You can even change the lighting depending on which model within your radio you are using. With a massive onboard model memory, you can store your entire RC garage in one convenient place. Worried about using the wrong settings? Fear not, thanks to Spektrum Model Match technology. Plus, it's fully compatible with surface tech like AVC and MS6X. Feel the thrill of being completely connected, whether you're a pro driver or a rookie racer, thanks to the included Spektrum SR515 5-channel sport receiver. It'll give you unmatched range and lightning-fast response, perfect for dominating the racetrack, backyard, or trail run.
This high-end radio can be used for racing, bashing, and crawling. It uses Hall effect sensors for more precise cornering. Racers will be able to feel more connected with their vehicle, the bashers will be more precise for stunts, and also the crawlers will be able to hit tighter lines. It's not designed around one specific thing. The iXSR can do just about anything. So when it comes to crawling, you're able to conquer any terrain, and when it comes to nighttime, you're able to lead the way with a built-in flashlight. When it comes to drag racing, you need instant reaction time. With a launch control system, you'll get the whole shot every time. For RC boats equipped with Spektrum Smart Technology, you're never stranded in the water due to a dead battery. Enjoy a carefree day at the lake with the vital information at your fingertips.
The iXSR is the result of years of Spektrum development and innovation. The goal has always been to push the limits of what a transmitter can do. And when the first Spektrum computer radio hit the market, we knew it was only a matter of time before we'd have to come to the table with a transmitter that would be all things to all hobbyists. We are thrilled about it because as enthusiasts grow the hobby and try different things such as oval racing or rock climbing, the iXSR has the connectivity, precision, and ergonomics to meet the rigorous demands of those unique RC categories. There really isn't anything quite like it out there. Its versatility is why the iXSR is the pinnacle of radio control transmitters. This is the future of radio control, and we could not be more excited to see how we advance the hobby with the iXSR leading the charge.
At Spektrum, we're not just advancing technology, but crafting an RC revolution. With the iXSR transmitter, we're setting new standards and refining what's possible in radio control. Elevate your driving game to the next level with the Spektrum iXSR transmitter.